enjoying my motherfucking life. That's all I'm saying.
Okay, don't forget, man, we got Tampa Jamboree coming up May 22nd through the 29th. Don't miss it. Also, man, we will be in Columbus, Ohio for Mystic Nights. I'll be there 57th anniversary. Make sure you show up, man, and show out, man. Show them cats some love. 57 years in the game. No Limit Riders, September the 2nd through the 3rd. I'll be there, Arkansas, going down, baby. Yes, sir. Rare Breed Shreveport Breed Bash, July 29th to the 30th. Be there. Also, make sure you like and subscribe to all my channels, all my platforms. It's your boy. All right, what's going on, man? It's your boy, Big LFHOHNIC. Lately, man, this sound competition thing has been really taking off. Got to give a big shout out to everybody that's doing it. This weekend, I stopped by my man B More Cycle Sounds plus Audio System. He did a sound competition at the dealership. So I decided to pull up, man. It was Sunday, June the 26th. He called it the Battle of the Bikes sound competition. And it was pretty cool, man. I mean, it's always cool. Anything with motorcycling is always cool. So this is just a little bit of footage, man. Just a little short drone footage and a little short camera footage of the actual event, man. So big shout out to my man B More for putting on this thing. This event took place at Thunder Tower Harley Davidson, which is in Morrow, which is one of the dealerships here in Georgia. And it had different classes: featherweight, lightweight, welterweight, middleweight, and heavyweight. And they also had a few females battling with this thing, man. So what do you guys think about sound competitions? You think they should, are they a part of the bike set? I mean, this is something new. They're getting to be real, real big, and they're getting to be pretty big when it comes to the bike set at different bike shows, and they're taking over in the whole 9 yards. Me personally, I've been there and done that, so it doesn't really, too much impress me. It is cool to hear some of the bikes, man, and the sound systems that are on these bikes. But for me, I'm more about riding. But just wanted to show you guys a little bit of it, man. Ask your opinion, what you think, man, as we just kind of briefly go through it, man. I'm showing you the parking lot, the aerial footage of the actual drone, and just coming on into the fold of it. So sit back. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's your boy, Big LFHO, HNIC. Yo, be more. Good show, Daddy-O. All right, man, I decided to stop through Harley Davidson today. They're having a sound competition. Ladies pulling in. PTG pulling in. All right, man. Anyway, we're here at Thunder Tower West. Let's see if I can get somebody to hold the camera. Hey, I do not own the rights to this. Huh? Y'all ready? Judges? Is it going to be the gray bike or the green bike? Red or black lane? Hold on,
2 reds, 1 black. It is what it is. For Pierre, all you gotta do is move up. That's not it, but I have that. I've been, like I said, one of y'all want to go first? Like $500, I think. You're like $600. Look like we need to put it's expensive. There you go. Dig them pockets. You got heads on. Here's it is.
How far can that thing go?
Oh, this should go all the way. It goes 7 miles out.
Wow.
See no changes. Wake up in the morning when I ask myself, it's like first living, should I blast myself? I'm tired of being born, even work some plastics on the culture. I'm looking for a person snatch. Cops give a damn about a need, bro. Pull a trigger, kill a nigga, he's a heat, bro. Get it back to the kids who the hell cares. One bus on your mouth on no welfare. One shit and building at them dealer brothers. Give them guns, step back, watch them kill each other. It's time to fight back, that's what Huey said. 2 shots in the dark, now Huey's dead. I got love for my brother, but we can never go nowhere. Let's share with each other. We gotta stop making shit.
All right, what you guys are hearing is the sound competition.
She got a cigarette song. Ooh. Follow that thing from left, right, side to side. She got it all running. Oh yeah. Shout out to the girls that play all the time. If you ain't in a party, take your ass out. If you get lonely, baby,
I can barely see it now.
slide with your girl to the bar.
Wow.
On you, Pierre.
Wow. And I'm quite sure these different brands with different models you can get. What models are the C and
This
F?
is a DJI.
That's one of the high-end ones?
No, this is my little one. I got a big one and a little one. This is my little one. This one more convenient to carry around.
Damn, I did not know them things go that high.
Yeah. Man,
And it's quiet.
I can zoom in all the way on us.
1 call, 2 calls, 3 calls. Is that what I do to you?
Wow.
Thanks so much.
Outside of my door, scared to feel alone. I know what to do.
Wow, that must be just standing there.
Yeah, it's just sit there. That's all it's gonna do is sit there until I move it.
I might well buy one for my. Okay, I'm thinking about buying me something for my birthday. I'm thinking about buying one of them cameras that's all with.
Yeah, that's my camera too. That's one of my cameras. I'm actually talking on the microphone while she recording. Cause I don't want the music on there because they banned the video.
Okay. Where the motherfucker at? Where?
Way over there somewhere.
I don't even see it.
All right, is it gonna be red or is it gonna be black? Red lane or black lane?
I don't see it.
Y'all ready? My judges ready? What it
There you
is?
go right there.
Uh-huh.
All right. Who the man with the? There you go, there, right there.
I saw y'all kick her whole head in.
It's not her
Hey, we can settle this up after. Y'all can do some grudging.
Hey, baby, you good?
Big
We
sale.
can do some
How
grudging.
y'all doing?
Whoa. I'm trying to find my.
I like to rock a lot of suits in my stash. I need a ride or die chick. I put a Cadillac truck with my friends in the back. I need a ride or die chick. Stay low, click like a touchdown. I need a ride or die chick. I rock the ice
Yeah, what's up, man? What's going on? No, you know kids. With the hot flow and the cold wrist, it can flow always. We'll sit on
John?
for, then wait for a travel, flood them with all trays. Ride or die chick.